A new face at the front of Canada's COVID-19 vaccine efforts. Brigadier General Krista Brodie has been selected as the replacement for Major General Dany Fortin to lead the rollout. A statement issued by the Public Health Agency of Canada reads, and I quote, Brigadier General Krista Brodie will assume the role of the Vice President of Vaccine Logistics and Operations. Brigadier General Brodie has played a pivotal role in the vaccine rollout as part of the initial deployment to the agency in November. The statement goes on to read, and I quote, following a brief return to the Canadian Armed Forces in February as the commander of Military Personnel Generation Group, Brigadier General Brodie's appointment allows for a seamless transition as she resumes her leadership role with PHAC. Let's bring in CTV's Bergeron-Oliver, who is following this breaking news story for us out of Ottawa. So, Annie, what do we know about Brigadier General Krista Brodie?
Well, for a lot of us, we're just learning who Brigadier General Krista Brodie is, but she's been doing a lot of work behind the scenes with Canada's vaccine rollout. So in November, when Dany Fortin was announced the lead, she was brought over from the military, seconded to public health to help with this vaccine rollout. So she really has been working the intricacies, dealing with logistics behind the scenes, helping to make sure everything gets off on the right foot. And that's why in that statement from public health, you heard them say that she is going to provide a seamless transition, in part because she's already been working there and helping with this. In terms of what we know, she's been in the military so far for 32 years. She joined in 1989, went to Royal Roads Military College, and she has a very long and distinguished career in the military. She's had a number of deployments overseas, Croatia, Bosnia, Afghanistan.
Wow.
She has served with the United Nations, with NATO as well, and her expertise is in logistics. It's what she studied. It's what she's sort of been known for over the last several decades, is logistics specifically. So she has a very long history of the military, a long logistics history as well. And this is somebody who already knows a lot about the vaccine rollout. And so this transition should be fairly smooth.
What we don't know is a lot on the Dany Fortin front. Okay, so we got some more news today with respect to allegations around the investigation surrounding the former Major General's situation. What can you tell us on that front?
Well, I can tell you that we're being told from sources that this military investigation underway is really just in the initial stages, that they're just sort of getting things off the ground. We do know, the sources are telling us, that a complaint was filed with the military police back in March. That complaint allegedly included a complaint of a historical sexual assault that allegedly happened about 32 years ago back at RMC Saint-Jean, which is, of course, the French RMC college in Quebec. And Fortin was a student back then. He graduated from that school in 1991. So his lawyer said to me he would have been around 20 or 21 years old. Now, Fortin, when I spoke to his lawyer, said that Fortin denies these allegations against him. He didn't even know that there was an investigation ongoing until Friday, and he didn't know any of the specifics of this allegation until CTV News asked him for comment on Sunday night.
Oh, wow. Incredible. I want to make it clear he's still Major General, just not head of the vaccine rollout. CTV's Bergeron-Oliver joining us from Ottawa. Thanks for this, Annie.